Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, during this video, I'm gonna show you how to apply a visa to the Cayman Islands. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this video, you always do it at your own risk. All right, guys. So let's proceed. So guys, the very first thing when you apply any kind of visa to a country is that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, purpose, duration, or even based on other visas that you have, you may or may not need a visa. So for in order to do that, I have opened official Cayman Island Customs and Border Control website, and you can see list of countries where can see whether you need a visa or you are exempted. So you can select your country, for example, and they have the column visa required or visa required unless exempted. We'll go through the some of the exemptions. So let's say you're from example Canada. Okay, you don't need a visa. If you're from India, you do unless exempted. So you can definitely check your country what it is. And now here they have given the exemption. So you are a national of one of the countries stated above, you will not require a visa if you are not prohibited immigrant and you satisfy custom border officer on arrival that you are authorized by a work permit, name in work permit, okay, or you reside in USA and you arrive directly from that country and you produced on arrival a valid United States alien registration card and you produce, okay. You are a resident of Canada and you arrive directly from Canada or USA and you produce proof that you are a permanent resident or landed immigrant of Canada, okay. Similarly, they have requirements for USA for nationals of Jamaica, India, and China. If you hold a valid visa from USA, Canada, or UK, perfect. You arrive Cayman Island or active from the country for which visa was issued. You can see this, like you can find out you actually have you fall under these exemptions or not if you really need a visa. But if let's say you don't fall into this category and you need to apply a visa, you can click on visa online. So it's asking what you want to do. So I select Vista, number of entries, single, multiple. I select multiple. You need to do as per your case. Okay, about you, surname. So I'm just putting sample. You do it as per your case. Date of birth. First select the year. Place of birth. So this you should write as per your passport. Okay, so that there is no confusion. This is just sample, guys. Let me go for like. Let me do something else. Nationality. Or you can type gender, marital status. What is your father's full name? Wow, it's just a sample. It's not my father's name. Uh, Mother's full name. Just sample, guys. Passport information, issue date, place of issue. This information you can, these pieces of information you can definitely find in your passport and you fill up based on that. Is this your first passport? I select yes, then nothing. If you ask for no, it will ask for previous passport details too. Wow. Okay, address, mailing address, PO box. Well, ideally they should have a box they should have something like if both are same. Cell phone number, but here look, but wait, these pieces are not mandatory, so I can skip it. These are mandatory. House, apartment, number, one, street name, district, country. Of course, I won't be submitting it. Phone number, email address. Do you have any children? I select no, but if you have, definitely provide that information. Part 3 of 8. Next. Previous application and travel. Have you previously traveled outside of your home country? If you put yes, you need to provide information. If no, put no. Have you previously visited Cayman Islands? I select no, but if you have visited, yes. Have you ever refused entry visa to the Cayman Island or been refused entry to UK or any of UK overseas territory, or had you leave to enter or remain cancelled? I select no. Have you ever been refused a visa for other country? Refused entry to, deported from, or required to leave UK or overseas country, or UK overseas territory, or another country? Have you or any of your dependents accompanying you ever been convicted of a crime, sentenced to any term of imprisonment? Concerned in commission preparation? I select no. Been concerned in the commission preparation, organization of genocide crime? Read it and answer it as per your case. Okay, I don't have to walk you through all of this. Number 5, about your stay in the, how long you intend to stay in Cayman Island. On which day you intend to arrive? Let's say I give this one. I'll just put 10 days. Ideally, there should be a box like days, month, something, but not sure why it's not there. Purpose of travel. Let's say I just put tourism. What is your intended date of departure? So 28/10 April I should go. Um, where you'll be saying private home, friends one. If I select hotel, address, name, address. From all the places you'll be staying. Also, that means you need to have the booking. If I select private, then also. Wow. Your finance. Are you currently employed? Yes. Job information. You need to provide. I'm selecting no because I just want to skip it. But definitely, if you're employed, provide that information. Do you receive income from any other sources? Do you own any assets, for example, property? Are you self-funded, sponsored? I select yes. How much money you'll be bringing into Cayman Island, Cayman Island dollars? I select. Is there any information? So next page, you will be submitting it. So I'm not going over there, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.